Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Kang here, Fine & Country Estate Agents in Derbyshire. Hope you're well. Today we're in the beautiful Derbyshire village of Muggington. Muggington is well known for its local community. It's got a great school here, got an excellent gastro pub just up the road here, a couple of local shops here as well, and an excellent primary school. It's got excellent access to the rest of Derbyshire, into Ashbourne or into Derby, probably in about 10-15 minutes. Today we're looking at this beautiful property behind me here, which has been much extended and improved by the current owner. It's a 5-bedroom, all with en-suites. We're sat in about 5.33 acres. There is an option to buy a little bit of further land as well if you do require, probably another 4 acres in total. The property is absolutely fantastically laid out. It's a really well thought out property. It's got excellent gardens, you've got fantastic views, you've got an excellent summer house, a triple garage block, and today we're going to take a look around. Well, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. I'm sure you'll agree, an absolutely stunning property and in a beautiful location. The views here are absolutely spectacular as well. There is a further undeveloped barn in the lower field beneath me here so there is potential here to do something different with that, subject to the right planning permission. But if you'd like to learn more or arrange a viewing on this property, Larks Acres in Muggington, give me a call or drop me an email on the details you're about to see on your screen, and hopefully I'll speak to you soon.